Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am doing like a Christmas vlog, just kind of decorating and stuff. And so I'm here at Michael's and Hobby Lobby and I'm gonna go get some stuff. So let's go. Okay, so I just bought all of the stuff, so now it's just time to go and make it. Okay, so I am back at my house. My cat's being lovely, and I have everything I'm going to use. So I am going to unpackage all of it and then just kind of start setting up my wreath how I want to. And I also have my hot glue gun plugged in over here. Okay, so to start out, I kind of know how I want to do this, so I'm going to just start out first by doing the bow, because that is the biggest thing I'm putting on my wreath. And I'm going to put one of these flowers on the middle of it, because the middle is just gold, and so that way there's a little sparkle, because if you can't tell, my wreath is going to be very sparkly because I love glitter. So just do that. And then I'm just going to hot glue it on too so that it will stay and not fall off. And it's like this. And then it just came with the twisty ties on the back, so I'm just going to wrap it around. I still have the thing on the wreath. Okay, so now that my bow is on here, I kind of know how much space I want to fill. And I'm going to cut this off real quick. Okay, and now I'm just going to lay out everything I want. Okay, now that I have it kind of set up how I want it to look, like this, I am just going to start gluing stuff in. so here's how it's looking so far. Everything is glued in with some glue strings. And now I'm just going to kind of add some of these balls right here and this flower just kind of for some filler throughout on some of the white spots. And yeah. Okay, so here's the final project, and now all that's left is to hang it up. Okay guys, so here it is all hung up. It is all done. I'm really happy with how it turned out. And if you decide to make a wreath this year, feel free to tag my Instagram and show me a picture of it. It was really fun. I got this the hook thing just at the Dollar Tree. Same with the S ornament and everything else I got at Michael's, including the wreath. They have like a whole section. And yeah, it was lots of fun, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!